Hi there, this is Mike Kaufman in my series of videos taking a look at how Google Forms can make recording student observations more efficient by using the add-on docAppender. In this video, we're going to use another add-on called Choice Eliminator to help eliminate some of those student choices to make sure that you are making comments and observations on all your students and not trying to have to remember which ones you've observed and which ones you haven't. We'll let the technology do the thinking for us. Alright, so if I'm going back into the Google form that I set up for the individual students based on period 1. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to go on to add-ons, and we're going to add on a new add-on which is called Choice Eliminator. And there's Choice Eliminator 1 and Choice Eliminator 2. I'm going to add in Choice Eliminator 2, but you can also add in Choice Eliminator Lite. Excuse me, I called it Choice Eliminator 1. Lite should definitely work for this. Click on Free, and then it's going to ask permission to access some of the things. Give it the permission. Once you add the add-on, again, it's going to be located up there. So I'm going to open up Choice Eliminator 2. And I'm going to click Configure. Once I have done that, it's going to give me a little note for author, just in case there's any trouble. I can close that out. And now it's going to ask me which question I want to eliminate choices from. And in this case, it's going to be the students, right? Because, again, you want to make sure that you're observing all of your students. And so once you've observed one, you want that choice then to disappear. Now, let's take a look at what that looks like before we get into some of those different options. All right, so if I click Preview, Period 1, let's observe Mike, great effort, excellent, submit. Now I'm going to go to click submit another response. You'll notice now Mike is gone. All right, so this will hold me accountable to make sure I observe all of my students. All right, when I click on Jen or whatever student I'm going to click on, click submit. Again, you notice now Jen is going to be off my choices. Now, there's some things that you can do to have Choice Eliminator work a little bit harder for you. You can do choice options, and you can choose how many times you can make the choice before it disappears. Right? Maybe you want to say, I want to observe each student twice by the end of the bimester, right? And you could add in choice 2. Or let's say you're really focusing in on Jack, and so you want to make sure you're observing him every week, and maybe you want to click on 5. Whatever it is, right? Your options are there. Now, if you click on the menu right there, when you are done and you've observed all your students, you can always restore the choices, right? When you do that, the students will show up again on your Google form. So there it is. That's how to use Choice Eliminator to do some thinking for you and to help make sure that you observe all of your students. Again, using this great add-on to make your life a little bit easier and to improve the efficiency in which you record your student observations. Good luck.